Hello there, my name is Waylon, and I am Tin Man Metal Workshop Dog. I am here to share with you the 5 things that super successful CNC plasma shops do that you don't do yet. 1. They capture the 97% who aren't ready to buy yet. Most CNC plasma business owners fight over the same tiny 3% of people who are already ready to buy right now. You know, the folks who are typing custom metal sign near me into Facebook or wherever right now. That's a bloodbath. It's pricing wars, best priced ads, and a race to the bottom. The real money is in the other 97% your competition don't even pay attention to. The people who will eventually buy a sign, fire pit, gate insert, or custom piece. They just haven't decided when or from who yet. And your job, well, is to educate them now so when they do buy, they've already decided that it's from you. Speed up their buying timeline by giving them reasons to move forward sooner. For our CNC plasma market, this means creating education-based marketing instead of just social media posts. Use email to educate them and guide them closer to you. This is in the form of free guides. Examples might be 7 things you must know before ordering a custom metal sign, videos, time-lapse of design to installation with tips on choosing the right finish, checklists, the metal sign buyer's quality checklist. Case studies. Show how you transformed a customer's bare wall into a centerpiece that all their friends are jealous of. When your future customer sees you as the helpful expert instead of just another guy with a CNC plasma table, you're not just planting the seeds in the field, you're pulling them for the harvest. 2. Build multiple traffic streams. If you rely only on one platform for leads, Etsy, Facebook, word of mouth, you're playing Russian roulette with your business. The pros build multiple traffic pipelines so no single platform can shut them down. 1. SEO/Google. Be found when people search custom plasma cut signs. 2. Facebook ads. Target homeowners, shop owners, or niche markets, farmers, Jeep owners, etc. 3. YouTube. Educational videos, project showcases, and behind-the-scenes builds. 4. Retargeting ads. Bring back the people who visited your site but didn't buy. 5. Email marketing. Your always-on sales machine. Start with one channel and make it profitable. Once you know your cost per lead and cost per sale, roll the profits into the next channel. Stack 3 or more channels, and you'll have a constant flow of leads, even if one source dries up. 3. Master your CNC business unit economics. Here's the biggest rookie mistake in the CNC plasma world. Thinking, I made $200 on that sign, without tracking how much it cost to get that sale. If you want to grow like a pro, you must know 3 numbers: CPL, cost per lead, how much you spend to get a prospect interested; CPA, cost per acquisition, how much it costs to actually get a paying customer; LTV, lifetime value, how much profit that customer will bring you over their lifetime. Example. If you know your average customer is worth $400 over 12 months, you can confidently spend $100 on ads to get one, because you'll still make $300 profit. When you have these numbers, you stop guessing and start scaling without fear. Ads become an ATM. You put $1 in and $3 to $5 come out. 4. Build a high-powered sales funnel. Think of your sales process like McDonald's. They don't make millions on $2 hamburgers. They make it on the fries, drinks, and desserts. Your CNC version, sell a starter product, like a $50 to $100 already ready, cut sign to get the customer in the door. Hire a higher value piece, like a $400 to $800 custom sign or gate insert. Follow up with repeat offers, holiday decor, business signage, gifts. A good sales funnel: 1. Lead magnet, free design guide or free mock-up offer. 2. Intro offer, low-risk entry product. 3rd core offer, high-value main product. 4. Upsell/cross-sell, add-ons, installation packages, matching decor. 5. Follow-up email marketing. Bring them back via email and retargeting ads. The people that can spend the most to get a customer wins. And the only way you can spend more is if you make more money per customer. My point is this: stack these 5 moves and you can't lose. Most CNC plasma owners are out there winging it, posting random photos, hoping for word of mouth, and wondering why they're stuck in the same rut year after year. But the super successful ones, they play a different game. They don't just chase the 3% who are ready today. They educate and capture the 97% who will be ready tomorrow. They don't gamble on one traffic source. They build pipelines that never run dry. They don't guess at their numbers. They know exactly how much every customer is worth and how much they can spend to get one. They don't just sell once. They build funnels that turn small buyers into big repeat customers. And they don't treat everyone the same. They know who their best customers are and double down on them. Put these 5 moves together, and your CNC plasma business stops being a side hustle and starts being a money-making machine. The kind of machine that brings in steady orders, predictable profits, and the freedom to finally call the shots. The truth is, the guy who keeps grinding without a plan will always be stuck competing on price, waiting for luck, and watching others pass him by. But you've now got the playbook. The only question left is, are you going to keep guessing, or are you ready to start running your shop like the super successful owners do and get that quit your day job money?